Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a controller on GTA 5 PC Rockstar Launcher. Now to get you set up on a controller while you're playing in your PC, you can connect a USB cable or Bluetooth to connect your PS5 controller to your PC. Alternatively, you can also connect a PS4 controller via USB-C to USB-A or USB-C cable, or use the DualSense controller wirelessly via Bluetooth. After that, go ahead and launch Rockstar Launcher by opening the launcher on your PC, and then you can go ahead and configure the controller settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Select controller from the options on the left side of the screen and choose PS5 controller from the list of available controllers if you're using a PS5 controller. But again, if you're using a PS4 or DualSense controller, then select PS4 controller. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.